everyone, thank you for joining with Azure with Umesh YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Azure Cost Management exports. You may all know Azure Cost Management portal, which is utilized for Azure cost cloud spending. So we can visualize the cost spending, analyze it, get a high level idea, forecast the costing. So there are multiple options available. You can create budget alerts based on your requirements. I'm not going to discuss about the functionality features available in the Azure Cost Management. So I'm specifically focused about the Azure Cost Management export. So what is Azure Cost Management export? Why we need that option? So basically, if we want to create a recurring task, automatically export the cloud spending based on your requirement daily or monthly basis. So this is where you need this option, right? So this option is available in the Azure Cost Management portal. I will show in a bit. This is the Microsoft documentation related to that. It has some of the enhanced features recently released. So we will talk about these features. Actually, these are the updated functionality on this feature, cost management export. So basically, if you want to get the multiple data sets of your cloud spending, like price sheet, reservations, the commitment that you made in the Azure portal, Azure services, reservation details, reservation transactions, of course, the FinOps. There will be another format called focus, which is open source FinOps open cost and usage specification. So this is the open source format for FinOps. Basically, this is actually unified format for cloud billing data. This is not for Azure only. This is across the cloud spending. This is the data set, unifying data set for FinOps operation. So that kind of data set also you can export from this Azure Cost Management export. So apart from that, there are multiple data set that you can export, which is this one, as I mentioned earlier. And there will be multiple prerequisites for this as well. Your subscription should be enterprise agreement, Microsoft customer, MCA for customers. So these kind of prerequisites will be there for utilize these services. So, and there will be multiple roles like owner or contributor, reader. These will be the prerequisites for use this particular option feature. Of course, you to export these files, the expending information, so it will be stored on Azure Storage account, blob storage container. So that is where this information mentioned in here. You need to configure blob storage on Azure. This is where you store these data, and you can visualize this data by downloading, or you can use this data to analyze from other analyzing tools like Fabric or other like Power BI or something kind of services to visualize those data. Of course, there will be a Azure REST API option also available. You can do these things from using this Azure REST API as well, not only from the Azure portal. Okay, for the Azure Storage account, so when you save in these data, you can restrict to only for store these information specifically from the Azure services. These are the options available, particularly only for that. In terms of, there will be multiple options. This is where the how it will be done, creating process, create the export. So these are the multiple steps that are available in this document. You can read all the document. So I will go through how to do that as well. So you can see these are the export options available in Azure. Regular, actual usage, amortize, of course, like a report on amortized cost for commitment, that reservations that you made on the Azure services, and the focus that we previously talked about, the format for FinOps, and the reservation recommendation exports, actual cost price, all costs like focus plus prices only for the reservation data. Those kind of multiple export options available on this feature. We will go through these steps from the Azure portal. You can read all the information. This is kind of a huge document in terms of this feature. These are the networking feature that I mentioned earlier. You can restrict only for the Azure services to allow these access for this particular container when you creating the storage account in the Azure portal. I'm not going to going through the each and everything in this document. You can manage this export from this service. These are the scheduled frequency available: one-time export, current month, daily export. Those frequency options available on this option. These are the types of data that you can export: price sheet, reservation details, reservation recommendation that I mentioned earlier. These options are available. You can create export for multiple subscription as well. Okay, let's see how we can do this in Azure portal. Navigate the Azure portal now. So this is the Azure Cost Management portal. So you can navigate to the export here by clicking here, and just click on schedule export. For the demo purpose, I will create all data, not specific like cost and usage only, cost and amortized data only. I'm going with all data. So it will be create 3 exports: actual cost, amortized cost, and the focus cost. Right, the frequency will be daily. You can edit these information based on your requirement anytime. You can see type of data, export name, dataset version, the frequency. These options are available. Those can be changed based on your requirement. Okay, I will create this like demo cost export, similar name, then click on next. Here you will need to select the blob storage. So for myself, I created a separate storage account for this blob storage account for this particular requirement. So I'm going to select the particular existing Azure Storage account. So these are the available storage account that I created. The container name will be okay. Let's create a new container for that particular requirement. Cost export, successfully created. Cost export. Let's put that name here. And the directory will be this. You can put a new folder like daily export, because these data are daily related export. The format of the file that you need to export, CSV or Parquet, and the compression type gzip or none. For this demo, I will choose none, and then click on next. Okay, these are the information related to the exports that we are going to create. You can read those information before proceed further. Then click on create. Now it's validating. the creation is done, completed successfully. These are the exports that we recently created. As you can see, it's automatically created 3 export types: focus, actual, and amortize. These are the options. Okay, for now there's no data in this container itself. Let's see how run one export from here force run. To do that, just click on this and click on run now. Export successfully queued. The export should be available within the next day. So now it's in progress status. Let's jump into the next one. In here there's no run recently, so just click on run now. It also queued as expected. Then jump into the next one, just click on run now. It's also queued. So it will be getting few minutes based on the services, the workload that you have. If you have a huge amount of services that you are in existing environment, so it will be getting more time to generate this data, right? So it will be depend on the environment that you have. So I will be coming after few minutes. Okay, let's check the exported jobs that we have run. As you can see here, the job is run successfully. It succeeded. Let's check the other 2 jobs. Those are also should be succeeded. Yeah, it succeeded. And the final one, and also it also succeeded. So now we can check the storage account container. Now let's check the data has been saved or not. Just refresh here. As you can see, this daily export folder has been created. Inside that, the 3 separate folders created for each actual cost, amortized cost, and the focus cost. Let's navigate to the actual cost. Let's see what kind of data is available here. You can see manifest.json is available, as also the CSV file. Let's download this file and check whether what kind of data that we can check from this. Okay, let's open the downloaded file from the Excel. As you can see, there will be multiple data available here. There's a lot of data available. This is not like the export data that we directly downloaded from the cost management portal. There are a lot of data available here. You can analyze most of the data using this Excel CSV files. That is how you can export the file datasets from the Azure Cost Management portal exports. Apart from that, I need to mention that what kind of the period, that retention limits that available from the Azure portal. As you can see here, retrieval historical data is only up to 30 months from the Azure portal itself. Let's say you want to get more details apart from these 13 months retention, right? To do that, you need to utilize the Azure REST API. Using that, you can get these data up to 7 years for the focus, amortize, and those details. For the reservation also up to 7 years, and the reservation details only up to 13 months. So you need to know these kind of limitations as well in terms of the Azure portal historic details when you are exporting from that portal. Apart from that, these are the data set format that supported. I already showed you once I did the demo. And these are the compression types available, none and gzip. Those are the types. So you can check this information from the Microsoft documentation. I will drop this link in the description in my YouTube video. Apart from that, you need to check other information that mentioned here, the verify the details, verification that the data set, manifest of the file. These are the manifest of the file. Those information also available in this document. Okay, that's it from today. So if you have any question related to this Azure Cost Management export, or even Azure Cost Management portal total solution, please drop down a comment in the comment section below. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day.